Hello, Internet friends. I'm Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. The other day, I submitted a video showing how we could uh, place the perimeter of a room or multiple rooms into a room finish schedule. And a comment was made. I'm going to cancel that. I forgot. It was made that we just had to change the number type in the room finish schedule. And I want to see what that does, the number style. Room finish schedule, there we go. I'm going to drop in, there we go, 2. Calculate total, bam. 977 and 5/8. 977 and 5/8. Let me look and make sure I'm quoting the comment correctly. Open this. So you should be able to format the number in the schedule under the number formatting tab. Open the schedule, and on the left panel, click on the number formatting. Here you can set the formatting for any column that is a number in the schedule. In the left panel, there we go, number formatting. Units, let's pick feet. Fraction, let's do 1. Let's do that. There you go. Now that's 978 feet when it's actually 978 inches. So that's not good. Number formatting. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do information perimeter 2 perimeter dot 2 underscore ft. There we go. Open up that structure. Perimeter 977 inches. And if we do a calculation, 77 divided by 12, that's 81.4 feet. Can we round that? Object. Might go down. Ceil, C-E-I-L for ceiling, and that would round it up. 82 feet. There you go. So in your object information, perimeter, do perimeter dot 2 underscore ft dot ceil for ceiling. In both in leading and closing with percent sign. And then in your room finish schedule number formatting, you can change that to units. There you go. And that'll get you 82 feet. Thank you, Seacoast HD and Jonathan putting me onto that. That's good information to know. All right, y'all have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Take care.